Hello. Welcome to today's presentation, Free Crypto Investment Guide on how to become a millionaire in 2024 investing in cryptocurrency. So let's get dive into it. Do you know that in 2017, Bitcoin rose from 4,000 US dollars to 19,000 US dollars, approximately 20,000, 19,000 something. As you can see on the chart, do you know that? Do you know why this happens? Do you know how many percentage this was in just 1 year? 500% growth in Bitcoin in 2017. As you can see on the chart, the measurement. Now, do you know when this happens? History always repeats itself every 4 years. And so what happened after this 2017? In 2021, Bitcoin rose again from 12,000 after falling back down to 12,000. It rose from 12,000 and hit the all-time high of 67,000 US dollars. This calculation here is 65. Bitcoin fell down a little bit and went above it, which you will see later in this presentation. And so Bitcoin again, 4 years after 2017, rose again in 1 year. Same percentage, 512%. Can you imagine that? Imagine you buying when Bitcoin was cheap, or knowing the exact time to buy before Bitcoin goes up, how much you will make. So this is what this presentation is for. And this is what our ebook launch is all about. I'm going to show you what to do. Now, let me give you some hint. Now, this has happened for the past three consecutive times. Now, Bitcoin has been existing since 2009. The first halving happened. Halving is a fundamental reason why Bitcoin is rising every 4 years. And so we're going to delve more deeply in our ebook for those who are interested to get a copy. So you understand why you're investing in the cryptocurrency in the first place, what is really going to make you this million that we're talking about. So in the first halving, Bitcoin rose from when? About $13 and rose to $1,000 in 1 year. Imagine you knowing about Bitcoin in 2012. I know most of us don't know why it was existing, and you would have made a lot of money out of that. And so the red portion of it is when Bitcoin retraces, or the general crypto market retraces. And so some people who have entered late would have been buying when the Bitcoin was high and now it's retracing. You don't understand that in the cryptocurrency market, there's a circle of events. It's a circle of events. And so this is the circle where I'm showing to you to take advantage of. And so why is going down in the red section? The red section does not mean that people are not making money. People are also making money in this period. So I'm going to also tell you about how you can make money even in the down market. But this presentation is solely for investment for appreciation level only. So in the green level, that is when we make money. Before the halving, we take advantage of it now. Look at the second halving. The yellow portion is before the halving. So when the market starts retracing back to the point of the halving, then after that it rises, and see Bitcoin rose from $700 to what? $19,000, approximately $20,000, which is what you saw in the chart I showed you in the beginning. You get it? Now, after that, it fell again to about just like $2,000. And so everybody were thinking, oh, cryptocurrency is a scam, or this, that. You don't understand the circle. That is why it seems like a scam. And you don't even know that you can make money while it's going down. That is why it's like a scam to you. But it's not. There's a fundamental behind everything, and it's a circle, as you can see on my screen. And so the yellow point is pre-halving to the bull run. You know, after the halving is called the bull run. And so that happened again. It rose from $3,000, approximately $7,000 to the all-time high of $65,000 I showed you in the chart for now, when Bitcoin rose to $65,000 here, you know. And so that is where it rose to. And now it has retraced back to, it fell back to like $16,000. I know some people were really scared, whereas the rich are getting richer by the day because they know about this event. Now you are knowing about this event. So they were buying while it was going, and they were buying while it was going, and preparing themselves for the next 4 years. So they've been buying it too, you know. And so this yellow portion, like, is before the halving. The next halving is next year, 2024. I'm going to share with you in my ebook the particular day, the month, and time of the month that is going to happen, so you can take advantage of it. But you don't need to wait. Now is the time to start buying it, because by the time it gets to before the halving, prices will have gone up. Because presently, as I speak to you, Bitcoin is 36,000. This chart is showing 30,000. That is when it was created. So it's now you buy now and take advantage of the growth before the halving. Then after the halving, more profit. So, but the essence of this presentation is not because of Bitcoin. You understand? You can get a portion of Bitcoin. Everybody needs Bitcoin. You know, as you are listening to this, let your children not ask you, "Oh, daddy, mommy, why didn't you even buy Bitcoin when you heard about it?" Now you're hearing about it. But my ebook is going to show you about 20 assets that you can buy before the bull run. Now we are specifying it to 10 where you can buy that is poised for 1,000 to 5,000% growth. That's how you make the millions. Now, why is that? How is that? Because each time Bitcoin is moving by a percentage, some of other cryptocurrencies are moving like 5%. So when Bitcoin move 1%, some other ones move 5%. So imagine Bitcoin moving 500%. How many percentage would you think all those other coins will be that I'm going to share with you? You know, it's left for you to calculate. So that's how you make the millions in this. Now look at this. History repeating itself again. In 2022, in 2020, where the green started and started the bull run move upwards. Now, this is where we are in 2023, where we are pre-halving or pre-bull run, where you can buy it now. You know, this other chart was created when Bitcoin was like $29,000. You can see the growth already. This chart was created before the other chart that was 30,000. And I'm going to show you a chart that shows you the present price of Bitcoin as I make this presentation, which is 36,000. Now, this chart explains the past, the present, and the future of Bitcoin. You see, when Bitcoin rose from $13 to $1,000, it hit a benchmark of $500. When it rose again from $700 to $20,000, it hit a benchmark of $5,000. When it rose again from $7,000 to $67,000, it hit a benchmark of $50,000. You see, adding 1 0 to a 5, to all the 5s that you can see on screen. So where do you think Bitcoin is going to go next? Bitcoin might not reach $500,000, but that is the expected projection. I'm not interested in $500,000. I'm interested in Bitcoin hitting $150,000, $100,000 or $200,000. I'm okay, because I have a target. With my 20 million invested in cryptocurrency, I'm going to make, but we're expecting 1 billion. I'm And once I hit my 1 billion mark, I'm out of the market. I'm not going to wait till market gets to 500,000. You understand? So that's what my ebook is going to cover. It's going to show you how to buy, where to buy, how to save it, how to convert it back to Naira, how to sell like cryptocurrency with Naira and convert it back to Naira. And so this is where we are. Bitcoin price is at $6,000. And see, from where we are to the highest point, remember the chart I showed you, and it was 514 points. That is when Bitcoin goes to 65,000. Well, actually, it goes to $67,000. Was making to $68,000 before it eventually came down. All right. And so this is where we are at $6,000. So Bitcoin is getting back up. Do you know there's something beautiful about this? Every time Bitcoin rises, it supersedes the previous high of the last halving. And so if this is going to repeat itself, superseding the previous high, then you're going to already be making 85% growth from now. If you buy now, 85% of your money before it gets to the previous high, let alone superseding it, because it does supersede it. This is history repeating itself, and there's a fundamental behind this. It's not just prediction, it's fundamental. Fundamental in the sense that there's a reason behind it. And so in the ebook, you're going to understand why it is happening. All right. And so you'll be understanding why you're investing in cryptocurrency in the first place. So that's why Forbes magazine is saying, whoa, in the world of cryptocurrency, fortunes can be made overnight. Yes, it can be made overnight, but it's information, it's timing. You know, there's a timing. For you watching this video, that means you are at the right timing of this event before it happens. You know, and so this cryptocurrency, what is it all about? In the layman term, just like the stock market, Dangote shares, Coca-Cola or bank, Nestle, they have their shares and they're traded in the stock market. And so in a cryptocurrency market, when you see or hear cryptocurrency, there's a company behind it, just like the Dangote with the shares. There's a company behind it. And that company, for instance, the Ripple is a company behind XRP, which is the token or the cryptocurrency that is traded on the cryptocurrency exchanges. And so the Ripple has a business. His business is to transfer money from banks to banks, interbank, from say US Bank to China Bank in seconds. That's their job. They're solving real life problems. So the token you're buying has a real life value on the exchange that you can convert easily to cash when it's appreciated, when you make profit. So it is, yeah, you are investing in a future of a product or a business that always appreciates. And so in my ebook, I'm going to tell you why it has been appreciating for the past 12 years. And so the essence of this presentation is for you to take advantage of the Black Friday, which is 25th of November, you know, so you can be among the first people to purchase this ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Successful Cryptocurrency Investing. This is what's going to make you the millions. This is it. And so what are you expecting? Just like I've told you, they're going to show you why cryptocurrency have been appreciating for the past 12 years. We're going to explain in depth. You know, we're going to also show you why investors are always investing in this in cryptocurrency. And this is something that is been eluding a lot of people who have been thinking that there's nothing about it. Cryptocurrency have been existing since 2009. Wow, this is more than 13 years now. And so what are you doing about it? Now it's an opportunity for you to take advantage of the next halving. Because mind you, this halving is not going to continue forever and ever. There's a particular time it will also end. All right. So, but now that the time is, the prices are low and the halving is still existing, take advantage of it, because this is going to keep going on for the next 10 years. So now, I'm going to also share with you in my ebook 10 cryptocurrencies that you can make you a millionaire, that is poised for 1000% growth by 2024, 2025. I'm going to show you platforms where you can buy these cryptocurrencies, how you can buy these cryptocurrencies with your Naira without the bank knowing that you are doing such a transaction, and then how you can convert it back to Naira when you have made your gains also. So you're not giving me your money. I'm showing you what to do. So you're going to take control of your dealings, your crypto dealings. You know, you're going to be in charge of your investment. We're going to tell you where you are going to save it, where you can, you know, save these coins, preparing for the blue and how you can sell it immediately. And that's done for you. So now's the time to take advantage of it. So by Black Friday, we're launching our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Investing in Cryptocurrency. Normal price of this ebook from next month, 50,000. But we are giving you 60% discount. 60% discount to take action now. And so for you watching this video, meaning that you have sent us your email, and so we'll be sending you the link where you can buy this exclusive price deal. It's only for those who are watching this video. Yes, we'll say the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, because those who have information taking advantage of it. That's what the rich have been doing for this past 13 years in the crypto world. So if this is something you want to do, watch out for the mail. Because after that day, price is going to go up. See you at the other side. Mind you, we're going to still be guiding you on, you know, like a mentorship on how you when to sell and your cryptos. But we're not going to leave you. You have our contact also in the ebook. So see you at the other side. Cheers to the new millionaire you are now.